Hey everybody, what's up? My name is T. Masseri, and this is my new coffin machine that I developed. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit about it, give you a rundown, just kind of explain a few things. I think this is a trip. It's really going to help a lot of people. I'm the kind of guy that, like, when I tattoo, I set up a bold line. I like a 3 usually to go along with that, and then maybe a small mag and something big. I like to use a really big mag. So for me, I'm setting up 4 machines. It's such a pain in the butt, man. It's such a pain. So for this is rad. I actually have a thing on here. It's an adjustable cam. So if you want a line, get in here. You got a big outline, you want to do something heavy duty, you can get right in here at like 5. If you want to do like a little bit lighter of an outline, get in here at probably right about 4.4. That's where I'm gonna be at, 4.2 right now. So I'll give you guys an example of how it works. Type 5 right here. So basically this guy, I mean, it just lays the lines in there. Barely got to do anything, and it just puts it in. I mean, tattooing on fake skin obviously it sucks compared to tattooing on real skin. But you guys kind of get the idea, right? I mean, that's pretty solid right there. So, of a 9 round. I think if I put a little ointment on there, I can clean it off a little better for you guys. There you go. So this is a 9 round. I'm going to jump the throw up a little bit. And I do this with, I'm touching it now because I'm not doing a real tattoo, but I would only do this after a break with clean gloves. Obviously, don't touch your machines while you're tattooing. That's disgusting. Called cross-contamination. But so basically, I jump up the stroke. I leave the bolts right where I was at. And this thing's a beast. Puts in those no problem. So basically now, zoom in a little closer. My camera's a little fuzzy, sorry guys, but so basically now I'll give you an example of black and gray. So I'll drop my stroke quite a bit. I like to do black and gray. Right around 3 seems to work really well for me. I turn it 3. Maybe 8.5-ish. And then this guy will just get in here and give you some really nice grays, man. One thing I like to do that I did not do is this. I like these adjustable tubes. This one here is a metal one. I think it sucks. I personally like the disposable kind. But you can twist these guys, get a little bit more stroke on that. I definitely need a little more of a stroke. But as you guys can see, it effortlessly puts in the smoothest gray. Look at that, it's ridiculous. It just goes in. And this is not real skin, so it's harder for sure. So now, say I want to jump up and do some color work. I'll click it over to around 3.8 to 4, where I like it. So for color, and I actually could have turned the voltage up a little bit for color than I had for black and gray, but you guys will get the point. It's instant.
Wow.
Now here I'll do a little bit of orange. Give you guys one more example here. As you can see, I'm not hauling butt, man. I'm just tattooing kind of normal. And that's solid. So that's it. The coffin machine, it rips, man. They're $150 each. They're
Are they heavy?
No, they're super light. It's about 3.5 ounces. You know, I made tattoo machines for about 10 years with my partner Brad. I kind of took that geometry and that knowledge and brought it into this. And in all honesty, this is an all-in-one machine. You don't need to set up 2 machines anymore. This thing kicks ass for lining. Thin lines, thick lines, big mags, small mags, it doesn't matter. This thing's gonna knock it out. Totally chemical resistant. You can scrub this thing down like the old coils and stuff. You couldn't rub it down the cavicide. You ruin your whole finish and get rust and everything. This you can scrub it down. And they're pretty bitchin', man. I totally dig it. The Coffin Rotary.